So this is active, that's the reason it's in that color. Now what I want to do is, like, I don't want these three here, I don't want them. So what I do, I go here, and what are those three? This is those three, the link and the link drop down. Okay, I only want up to search. So even this is not relevant for me in that case. Oops. Yeah, so I removed everything. I come here, I say this is a search, but I want this search to be here, I don't want it there, right? If you guys can remember our previous, so this is nothing but this is Sagar as in that example, and the link here is the same file, right? If you guys can remember, so it's a bootstrap dot underscore layout dot html. Okay, and this whatever the search bar, right? This search bar, this form, what I want is, I want this to be this and all of these guys. Okay, even these guys already at the corner, right? So what I do is, like, I'll take this form. Okay, I'll take this form, or okay, let me just add one more class here, div class equal to, I say pull right. If you guys can remember, pull right is just like, you know, float right, and I put it after this ul. I mean, I'm closing it here. Okay, I'm putting everything including the form and the ul. Now let's see what happens. Yeah, fantastic. Now instead of link, we had, if you guys can remember, we had a login over there, right? We had a login over there, login. Okay, right, you guys? Oh, it's stuck. Oh, Taufik, Arun, you got the same problem too? Maybe Taufik's bandwidth, maybe there was a problem, maybe. But yeah, Taufik, which part did you miss? Okay, so how do you feel, Arun, using Bootstrap and the previous styling? Bootstrap is pretty much easy, right? Yeah, it's class. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, Taufik, I guess the problem with the bandwidth, I guess, on your side maybe. But which part did you miss? Did you miss the whole part right from the start? Oh, I was just copying some stuff. Maybe you can catch up in the recorded class in that case. Okay. So Arun, how do you feel using Bootstrap against the whole styling? So Bootstrap, fast and easy, exactly. So it's pretty much fast. All I have to do is, like, use these classes. Okay, I used pull right. So here again, login, and we had a bottom in links in the footer in the previous section, if you guys can remember. So I'll add that too. So what is this div? This div has gone past somewhere. Oh yeah, he's one step ahead of. So I'll just bring him to his level. Okay, now this is fine. Okay, now I'll show you a beauty of this Bootstrap thing. Okay, did I save it there? Yeah. So I'll just collapse this. See, it has become completely responsive, if you guys can see it. Okay, it has become responsive, and this is a menu. I guess maybe I missed. I deleted some part, which is maybe, yeah, that can be worked, no problem. So yeah, you see that it has become completely responsive, like it adapts to the style, and the brand name has been seen. Okay, so oh, what happened? Bootstrap layout. Oh, the spelling's wrong there. Bootstrap where are you? Bootstrap layout here, Bootstrap. Fine. So now I don't want it that big. If you guys can remember, it was pretty small. So instead of call md12, okay, what I do is like I'll use call md8. Let's see what happens if I use call md8. You see, it has bought it stringed it, but still this doesn't meet my purpose, right? So for that, what I do is like I'll move it to 2 columns. So I can move it using call md offset. Okay, offset, let's say 2. Now see, it has come to the center, and let me use the background image instead of this. Okay, background image, what is that, URL, and what image we had yesterday? We had something, let's say images slash what was that, saga.jpg, I assume, and this is center and fixed. I don't want no repeat. I mean, I don't even have to use it. And background size is cover. There's a problem. What's the image name? Images saga.jpg. Images saga.jpg. Maybe for the fixed should come here. Still, let me just check it. Let me just check the problem. Oh, I'm sorry. Again, the same problem. I have to get out of the folder and then look for the image. Okay, and this isn't that transparent because whatever the call md offset or the row, which one? Let me check that. And I want a small gap between the top and the bottom too. So these things has to be taken care of. So what I say is for the row, okay, here at the row or at the container, I'll give a class saying min. Okay, I'm giving a class saying min. So what I do is like dot min, let it have a margin top, okay, just a margin top, let's say for 20 pixel, and I want a background for it, background to be RGBA, okay, RGBA, oops, RGBA 255 and 0.6, let's say, and let's go back here and refresh. Okay, yeah, the container should not have that, frankly speaking, because container is occupying the whole space. So in that case, I'll give it to here. I give it here because this is the actual container or actual content where we have it. So you can see it here, and still it's kind of beating my purpose, since because maybe this thing container fluid, let's say, let's go there and give it to container fluid in that case, and we'll see. I'm just experimenting it. Oh no. So fluid in working, so it definitely should work here. So yeah, this is how. Okay, now whatever the content I want